Hello everyone, hope you guys doing well. So previously, we discussed about the conditional logic, local providers, and some basics about the workspaces, right? So next topic that we are going to cover is workspace, Terraform. So what is workspace in Terraform? Basically, Terraform Workspace allows user to manage the different sets of infrastructure using same configuration by isolating the state file. Uh, let's say you have created one code in dev environment. Okay, dev environment is our testing environment. So in that dev environment you create one instance. Now you want to create the same instance with same configuration in your production environment, but if you change some parameters and hit apply, so it will replace that dev environment VM with production environment, because state file is stored in the same directory. At that time, to isolate the state file, you can use Terraform Workspace. Terraform Workspace you can consider as a virtual environment. It will create one virtual environment and isolate the directories for the state file only, right? So let's see one demo for that. So before that, I will show you how to uh, see the current workspaces and how to list that workspace. So by default, Terraform provides the workspace default. Terraform workspace list. This is going to list the workspace. As you see, the star marks for default. That means you are in default workspace, and Terraform currently have a single workspace that is default. Or you can see current workspace as show. So this will show the current workspace that is default, right? Let me create one workspace like something workspace like dev Terraform workspace dev workspace dev. Now you can see created and switch to the workspace dev. That means Terraform creates new workspace dev and it switch to that workspace dev. Now if you see Terraform workspace list, you can see that there are two workspace present, default and dev, and Terraform is currently in dev workspace. By using show command, you will able to see the current workspace that is dev, right? And if you created a dev workspace now, so and if you have one workspace and if you wanted to destroy that workspace, for that you are using Terraform workspace delete dev. Now it shows you one error message that you are currently in dev workspace and you are not going to destroy that Terraform workspace. First you need to switch to that default workspace or any another workspace, then only then you are able to destroy the dev workspace. So guys, currently I'm not going in very depth for a workspace. That topics we are going to cover in next session. But for now, I'm just showing you. Uh, uh, so currently we are just uh, put our more focus on conditional logic. So in one example, we are going to use workspace. That's why I'm just giving little bit idea about workspace. Okay. So Terraform workspace select default. Now if you are going to delete the workspace dev, then that the workspace will definitely got deleted and you are currently in default workspace, right? So this is about the workspace. Now let's see one demo for Terraform workspace so that you will get to know Terraform workspace better and you will able to understand why we are using the Terraform workspace or why we need Terraform workspace. Okay. Okay. So let's see. is cloud hero, right? A cloud hero underscore test. Okay. As you can see, currently we just have only one workspace, that is our default workspace, right? Now I am going to create one resource in the default namespace. Okay. So Terraform apply at top. And the name for that VM is a cloud hero test. Yeah, as you can see, that VM is created. Let's quickly go to our AWS console and check. Let me filter using running. Yeah. So currently we have one running VM, that is a cloud hero test. Now, if now what I want that to create one more new instance, but with the same configuration with just different name. Okay. So what happened? Let me just write dev here, but I want that new one. Okay. And now here there are very less configuration, but sometimes in your infrastructure you have lots of configuration that you customize that VM. But what now? If I hit Terraform apply again, what happened? Will it create the new VM or will it just replace the previous one? Because we have the only one state file and it is in the our default workspace. So what happened? That's now it's just replace the previous VM with a Cloud Hero dev name. It will not create the new VM. Let's wait. As you can see, it's changing the tag name, a Cloud Hero dev, right? A Cloud Hero test to a Cloud Hero dev. Okay, let's see to our VM. Just refresh it. You can see only the name is changed, but not it will not create that new VM. So here the workspace plays one role. For example, let me create one workspace for prod. Terraform work, workspace new prod. Okay. Now currently we created one workspace Terraform prod and we are currently inside that workspace, that is prod, right? So inside that workspace we have same files, right? Just let me just write here prod and I will hit Terraform in it. Then Terraform plan. Yeah. Now apply and auto approve. Okay, it shows one error because it's mentioned that the key page already exists. We don't need to create it again. As you can see, the resource is creating, and let me just go to the VM and I will hit refresh. So it's still under creating state. Just wait for some time. Yes, that resource is completely created, and just hit refresh. You will see that two instances are there. One was in dev and one was in prod. So how this happened? Because we are separate out that state file with the help of Terraform Workspace, and this is how the Terraform Workspace is used. So that's it from the Terraform Workspace, guys. Hope you like this video. So let's quickly discuss the agenda for our next session, that is day 6. Okay, so we are going to discuss the modules in that session. Okay, so because module is a vast topic, so it will take more time, and I want to make a complete detailed video in models so that everyone should completely understand how model actually works. And in models we obviously covers about that main.tf, variable.tf, and output.tf. When we get a detailed video on output.tf, main.tf, how we are going to write the correct Terraform code like professionals. So that we are going to discuss in models topic. Okay, so that's it guys for today. Thank you so much.